When it comes to the installation of the Geyserbot controller, once again, the very first warning. If you don't know what you're doing, please rather get somebody else that is certified to install the Geyserbot controller for you. It's paramount and we can't put enough emphasis on it. Let's assume this is the back of your geyser hot water tank. There will be two wires connected on your existing manual thermostat that will go onto live or neutral like this, and those two wires originate from the isolation box, most probably in your roof or close by, where you can control the on-off switch of this as well. And while we've given the warning about the use and while working with electricity, it's a good idea to rather switch off your main trip switch on your distribution board. Okay, so back to these two wires. They originate from the isolation switch, so make sure that it's switched off. Then once it's switched off, remove the two wires from here, pull out the existing manual thermostat probe, take the one provided with your Geyserbot controller, and we put it back in its place, firmly back in its place, like that. And now those two wires that were removed, those two that's been removed from the previous one, gets connected to the Geyserbot controller at the inside live and neutral. And then once that's been done, a pair of new wires which is thick enough and good enough to make the new connection from neutral and live, you go back to the new inserted probe to live and neutral on this side. As easy as that. So it's basically that the Geyserbot controller comes in series with your existing connections. Be careful again. Once you've switched on your isolation box, make sure that you can see that the power light comes on as well, and never ever touch these points anyway, or do an effort to touch specifically those two as well. Always regard them as live and very, very dangerous. That is it. It's off here, in at the box, from the box, back here. This is the new probe. End of the story. And then back to your app and to control your Geyserbot controller.